Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change your currently using email address into Zoho Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you first have to open your Zoho Mail application. Now, after opening the application, simply click on your profile icon and from there, go to the My Account section. Now, after going into the My Account section, you just simply have to scroll down a bit and you will see the My Email Addresses option. Now, you have to click on the Add Email Address option. Just simply enter your email address into this box and click on the Add button. Now, you have to enter the verification OTP into here. You will get 1 minute to enter the verification OTP. You just simply have to paste the OTP and click to verify. After verifying, your account will successfully be added. Now, you just have to click on Set as Primary Address and click on Make Primary in order to change the email address. Now, your email address into Zoho Mail is successfully changed. Now, you can delete the old email by clicking on the Delete button, but I'm not doing this. If you need, you can do that. By following this very easy option, you can easily change your email addresses into Zoho Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.